AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS extremely powerful laptop, ultimate multitasking, outstanding performance. Discover the new generation AMD Laptop 2025 from KAIGERR, equipped with a powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, maximum clock speed up to 4.75 GHz, providing outstanding power for both professional work, study, graphic design, and light gaming. Outstanding specifications. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS, 8C/16T, Turbo Boost 4.75 GHz. RAM, 16GB DDR5 super fast, upgradable. SSD, 512GB NVMe M.2, upgradable up to 4 TB. Screen, 16-inch Full HD sharp, thin bezel. Connectivity, super fast Wi-Fi 6, modern USB Type-C port. Keyboard, backlit, supports night work. Cooling, dual fans, optimal cooling for stable performance. Operating system, genuine Windows, optional. Why should you choose AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS 2025 laptop? Powerful performance, good response to heavy software such as AutoCAD, Photoshop, Premiere. Modern design, slim and light, suitable for students and office workers. Reasonable price, high configuration, saving budget. Good heat dissipation, play games, work continuously without worrying about overheating. Buy now at KAIGERR Store, genuine, full warranty. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell to not miss the latest laptop review videos. Reference link below the description. Thank you.